Welcome! In front of me I have REALME Watch 5 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Basically how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the crown button. After you wake up the screen, press the crown button again to open the menu, then find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called display and brightness and tap on it of course, and here you will see the option called screen on time. Tap on it and now we can scroll through the list of durations. It's quite long, we have from 5 up to 20 seconds I think. Yeah, so I'm gonna select something like maybe 10 seconds, then tap on the check mark, and now my screen on time duration is set to 10 seconds. So basically if I won't touch the touchscreen or the buttons for 10 seconds, the screen should turn off to save power on our watch. Like this. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.